This video you just saw, the visuals, the voices, the cinematic shots was made without a camera crew, without actors, without a real studio. I tried replacing a full film studio using just one AI, and this is how far it actually went. Making films normally needs cameras, lights, editors, sound designers, actors, basically money I don't have. So I asked a dangerous question. Can AI do this all alone? No shortcuts, no external tools, just one platform. And this is my attempt to replace a full film studio using Higgsfield AI. The link is below so you can give it a try for free. So our first problem is visuals. Films don't work if they don't look cinematic. And this is where Nano Banana Pro comes in. So this is the Higgsfield website interface, and this is the image section where you can generate images. Click create image, and here you can select the model you want. I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro, and this is the aspect ratio of the image. This is what quality you want the image to be. They also have 4K, and this is the batch size, like how many images you want to be generated. So let's try and give it a prompt. Generate me an image with lonely cat sitting on the rooftop and staring at the moon. Make it cinematic and realistic. Okay, so let's generate the image. So the image is generated, and as you can see, it's pretty high quality. Like, the details in the image are really awesome. Basically, it alone replaced half of the crew. But random shots don't make a film. You need directions, and this is where Cinema Studio changed everything. So this is the Cinema Studio page in the Higgsfield website, and as you can see, there are two options here, one video and one image. Like, you can also create images here, but there's a catch. Like, as you can see here, there's an option, and when you click it, you can literally select the camera you want for the image to be clicked. Like, not clicked but generated but clicked. So like, you can choose the camera you want, the lens, the focal length, and the aperture. Like, literal absolute amazing. So for now I'm just generating the video because I have already an image generated. As you know, like, you have to select the start frame here, like the frame you want the start of your video to be, and then you can also select the movement of the camera, like the static, handheld, zoom out, zoom in. Like, how awesome can it be? So this is the movements, this is the aspect ratio, this is the duration you want the video to be, this is the sound on and off, and this is the slow-mo. You can keep it off. For now I'm keeping it on. Let's select the start frame, this cat image, and let's write a prompt. Make this cat move. Okay, let's check out. Okay, so the video is successfully generated, and let's check it out, and it jumps off. Okay, cool. So this is the Cinema Studio. So I could literally design scenes, maintain camera movements, and also maintain visual consistency. It felt less like AI generating a clip and more like me directing a movie. And at this point, the AI wasn't assisting me. It was my studio. One of the biggest problems in AI video is everything feels disconnected. Enter 1 2.5. Okay, so this is the video generation page in Higgsfield website, and let me change it to the earth zoom out. As you all know, it's trending right now. And let me select an image. Select this image. This is an image of Thomas Shelby, and let's generate. Okay, so the video is generated, and let's see, and it zooms out. Awesome. So let me show another one, and this time let's keep the model van 2.5. Let me describe it like, show the person in the image holding and promoting Lay's chips packet. Let's see, what does it generate? Let me keep it 720 pixel, and duration is 5 seconds. Okay, generate. Okay, so the video is generated, and let's check it out. Okay, it's perfect. The Thomas Shelby and the Lay's commercial actually felt like they belonged to the same film. no cuts, no broken scenes. This is where it stopped feeling like a demo and feeling like a real production pipeline. But visuals alone don't make a film. Audio is a key element, and with Kling 2.6 audio, everything's solved. So here let's set the model to Kling 2.6 and let me upload an image. Okay, I have a image from Breaking Bad. Let's write a prompt. The person in the image is eating chocolate, and after eating he tells, I like Feastables more than Hershey's. Okay, so let's generate it. Okay, so the video is ready and let's check it out.
I like Feastables more than Hershey's. What?
Okay, cool. Yeah. So this is Kling 2.6. And honestly, this shocked me the most because bad audio can even ruin the best visuals. And this didn't. So, at the end of the day, did it perfectly replace a Hollywood studio? No. Did it replace 90% of the workflow? Absolutely. If this is where AI filmmaking is today, then imagine how far it will be after a few years. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.